Hello, hi, I'm André Chiang, the founder of Raw Taipei.
Hi, my name is Ricardo Chaneton, chef-founder of MONO in Hong Kong.
Today we went to the light rail transit, probably one of the best way to see the city. Like taking a bus in Hong Kong or taking a bicycle ride in Copenhagen.
It's a very modern way to visit a city that has so much history, And actually in the tramway you go straight inside of the city, the buildings, and at the same time they don't put aside the nature, no?
Yes.
A lot of trees, you have like almost a natural tree-made tunnel.
Yes.
I think it was a very nice experience to see that approach and a way of transportation in this beautiful city, yeah. A couple of, 200 meters, you are in the beach. We was remembering a little bit our experience in the south of France,
yes.
And comparing with Set.
That was really one moment that I feel that
where am I?
Where South, yeah, where are we? You know, it's in south of France.
I learned also another side of Kaohsiung, which is a boat city, no? It's a lot of craftsmanship of these big mega boats, and seeing there, like imagining, like in the morning bringing the fish, like we know that experience back in Europe, no? But yeah. Imagine that and being there and eating that food, it was very special. And you made me try something I never tried before, which is the calamari.
Calamari mouth.
Yeah, this one was very special. New for me.
Yeah. So tell me, what's the one thing that you appreciate the most, or during this few days?
I think the way Kaohsiung own his own things is very special, and actually there is a phrase that says that you don't own anything until you share. And I think one of the things that shocked me the most or impressed me the most was the generosity of the people. No?
Yes.
These people here in this city, they own very well their traditions because they share it, and I love it.
Started from the breakfast, the pancake, the soy milk. The taste is big, the size of it is big.
Yeah, it is.
大家好，我是老庄豆浆店的第2代接班人，我叫庄继伟。所有的东西都是自己准备的，每天早上都现赶，客人都可以看得到，现赶、现烤、现煎的，所以我们的蛋饼吃起来完全是不油腻。我们是用瓦斯炉去烤的，每一个人烤的方式又不一样，火候控制又不一样，所以基本上客人只要看到我烤的，他们都会觉得很 OK。
This time with you, I personally feel that I see a different side of Kaohsiung, that art is everywhere. Every time when I come here, I always visit the director, Jen. I think he is really the person that, together with the city government, and brought in so many art, atmosphere, activities to the city.
Yeah, I think art is culture, no? And
yes.
Like Director Chen, I think it's a beautiful work what they're doing.
我是简文彬，我是魏武营国家艺术文化中心的艺术总监。魏武营国家艺术文化中心是在2018年开幕的。那它开幕之后，它就变成全球瞩目的一个焦点，尤其是在艺术文化界，就是要让大家开始去意识到说，艺术文化这个事情，其实对于我们的生活和生命是有意义的。那我们的建筑设计师 Francine Hoban 女士，她也给了一个很好的注解。她说，她希望魏武营变成高雄市民的文化客厅。
the Ginza Takao, no?
Yes.
It's the coffee shop.
House of Takao.
I feel this energy of history telling me something.
我是陈汉，那我是银座剧场的老板。银座剧场是一栋5层楼的建筑，那我们的1、2楼是咖啡厅，3楼以上则是一个宝董民宿。那银座剧场之所以取名为这个，是因为我们所处的位置其实是高雄最老的商场，所以它等于见证了高雄很早期发展的这个港口历史。光是在我们门口的这个通廊走的时候，你可以稍微的往抬头看一下，就会看到它在3楼跟4楼都有天桥做连接。那这应该是全台现在算蛮仅存的一个建筑结构。那透过住宿跟咖啡这2种不同深度的体验，希望让旅客或者是高雄生活的人可以更认识这个地方。
I think that's another way of sustainability, right? And what he did, he kept all the old nostalgic element and make it for the next generation. I think that's really the beauty of it.
We have a lot of milk tea, in this trip.
Yeah.
A lot, but then we have amazing dishes like the signature rice tube, as well. I was
the
shocked.
rice tube.
That was so good. In French, we will say gourmand. Comfort food. That was a very, very comforting dish.
And the steam egg, you got the
île
flottante.
For me, I never had the île flottante. I never had something like that before. Yeah.
And I feel that the food, it represents the character of the Kaohsiungese, which is very straightforward, big. There's no hiding, just like the street food, like even the duck chen that we had is the duck itself.
Yeah.
Nothing to hide, no other garnishes. This is what I do and this is what I serve, and it tastes good.
Yeah.
That's it. Every time when you travel to a city and then you not only just taste the food and you say whether it's good or not, it's what the city, what the people gave you, the emotional touch, and then that inspires you of doing something different or pull you back to the original intention of why you're doing this, right?
It's the simplicity of the things. As a chef, we mentioned before many times as we often try to hide, in things,
Yes.
But
or sometimes try to do too much.
Too much. But in simplicity, there is no place to hide.
Right.
So that's something that I learned in this trip and I get very inspired. Is how simple, how tasty things can be as well.
Through one dish, you see a small a history of a city.